The Only Way is Essex star James Locke revealed he made major changes in his life after suffering from a mini breakdown last year. The 36-year-old admitted he was at a low point where he started feeling like he made a lot of mistakes. He has since turned his life around and will be taking part in the reality series, The Challenge UK. Before he got to a more positive point in his life, he decided to cut out a lot of things out. He told himself no booze, no women, no dramas. I had hit a bit of a low point. For someone like me that's confident, people don't believe that, but it was like a mini breakdown, James explained. He added to The Sun, "What happened was, even though I've done well, I didn't feel like I had fulfilled where I should have been in life. I felt like I'd made a lot of mistakes. I was regretting a lot of stuff. I was at a low point and then you drink to forget, which is never good for me because I was self-sabotaging." His admission comes after the reality star appeared in a promotional clip for the challenge looking a little worse for wear. From the short video, he appeared to have fallen victim to a string of injuries while on the show. He will star alongside the likes of Kaz Crossley, Curtis Pritchard and Callum Lizard on The Challenge UK, which will air in a matter of weeks. It's claimed that he was subsequently rushed to the hospital and required treatment for his injuries which left him in agony. James reportedly became the first celebrity to be booted from the show, which is presented by former Towie star, Mark Wright, after losing the tasks. James was rushed to hospital after seriously bruising his face within the first 3 days of filming The Challenge UK, an insider told The Sun. They added, "The injury was caused during one of the many dangerous activities contestants have to take part in. It was so scary to see, he was in agony. He ended up fracturing part of his face and was bruised for months." James spent weeks recovering in Miami so that no one would see his bruised face. Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.